Welcome back to the seventh module, in which we will talk about how to scale your campaign, how to scale your advertising goal to achieve more ROI, to achieve your target, to achieve your goal, to meet your requirements from the client or customer. So I'm going to share you how you can do that. For scaling Google Ads, you need to consider a few things like when to scale. If you're getting greater than 20 conversions, then you have to scale. If you're getting less than 20 conversions, then sorry, you don't have to scale. You have to optimize your campaign. If you're getting more than 20 conversions, then you can scale. But for that also, for different campaign types, for different ad types, I set up the scaling project. Like for shopping ads, you can create subdivisions, like you can create the product ad groups, and for each ad group you can create separate campaigns. Like you have already achieved a converting product or a converting category product, then you can create a separate campaign for that product or category and increase your budget to 20 to 30%. When that budget is going to limited, then when that budget is going to exhaust within 7 days, then you have to increase that your budget to 40 to 50% and so on, in that 10 to 20 ratio, 10 to 20% budget ratio. That's how you can do that scaling. And if that is all about shopping ads. And in shopping ads as well, when you have when you got your converting product, then you can create separate search campaign for search ads as well, and you can create display campaign. I'm going to recommend you to create separate display and create separate search campaign as well. That's why I am recommending you to do that thing. That is because from shopping ads, from shopping campaign, you have already got your converting search term as well, like from which keyword, from which search term your audience is getting conversions, like your product is getting converted. So you can create for that separate search campaign, and you can go with that for display campaign as well. And I also recommend you to use separate remarketing campaign as well with at least 100 conversions. I recommend you to get at least 100 conversions, then you can go with remarketing ads. I strongly recommend you to use remarketing ads, but before 100 conversions I don't recommend you to go with remarketing ads, because remarketing ads always perform with the better data, more data. If more data, more purchase funnel is being created, then remarketing ads will get good conversions and in less amount. That's how shopping ads can be scaled. And for search ads, you can go with the SKSG campaign type, like SKSG. What is SKSG? SKSG is single keyword in single ad group. Like in one ad group there will be one keyword, one main keyword, one converting keyword, one keyword that is getting maximum traffic, then you can go for SKSG. And single ad as well. Why I am recommending you to use single ad? Because after testing 2 to 3 ads, then you can go with single ads as well. Like you have already got converting best performing ad, then you can go with single ad and single keyword as well. And also add negative keywords and exclude audience if you are displaying for RLSA as well, remarketing list for search ads as well. And also duplicate the campaign with 30 to 40% budget as well. That's how search ads can be scaled. And you can also test different ads with creating different experiment and with creating different ad draft as well, with different ads and different system. That's how search ads can be scaled. For display and YouTube ads, we need to analyze the asset, like which for display or for YouTube ads, which video is performing, which asset is performing, which image or banner, which headline or which description is getting good conversion, good performance. Then we can go with that separate asset or separate video to duplicate that campaign to 30 to 40% in budget, and create the standard campaign for display, and create the separate YouTube video to get more conversions. That's how scaling is being done in Google Ads. I strongly recommend you to duplicate the campaign when you are scaling. Like don't create a separate campaign, or don't create a don't increase the budget in that separate in that particular campaign. Like if I'm putting budget for campaign for a one campaign like 500 INR, and then I am going to increase. That's how scaling is not done. I strongly recommend you to duplicate the budget, duplicate the campaign with higher budget. Like first time I am going to put the budget 500, then I am going to duplicate that campaign with 30 to 40% budget. That's how scaling works. And if you duplicate the campaign with more than 100, more than 200% budget increment, then Google algorithm will review your campaign again, and will review your ads, will review your keywords as well, and it can go up to 2 to 3 days, 24 to 72 hours to review your ad, to review your campaign as well. That's how scaling is being done in Google Ads. So that's all about scaling, scaling with Google Ads. Let's meet in the next module.